Good morning everyone. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Before going to start our topic, I would like to tell you some COVID-19 appropriate behavior which you have to follow in every day. You have to wear mask properly, wash your hands at least 20 seconds frequently with soap and water. Maintain 6 feet distance from others. Do not touch your face, your eyes, and nose. Do not spit anywhere. Do not share your food and water bottle to each other. Okay? Well, students, as we know that we are doing chapter number 8, that is decimals, and our today's topic is money and decimals. In the last tutorial class, we have already done the expanded form, place value, and equivalent decimal. So, let's start money and decimal. As we know that 100 paise make 1 rupee. That is 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee or rupees 1. In the last previous class we have already learned about the money. Okay. So here we have some examples. We know 1 paise is equal to 1 out of 100 rupees. 1 out of 100 rupees. It means 0.01 rupee or rupees 001. Let's solve it here. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Fine. और इनवर्स फॉर्म में अगर हम इसे लिखेंगे तो हम लिख सकते हैं 100 पैसे इज इक्वल टू रेस 1. लाइक 1 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 1 आउट ऑफ 100 rupee. Okay? Understood everyone? Suppose here 1 paise is equal to 1 out of 100 rupee. If we'll convert this fractions into decimal part, so the answer is 0.01. How? Here in the denominator part we have 3 digit. 100 में कितने digit हैं? 1, 2, 3. So in the numerator part just equal the digit 1, 2, 3. Or just remember that in the last tutorial class I explained in the 10th, 100th and 1000th place how to put the decimal point after the in the 10th and 100th and 1000th place. How to put for fine, just look at the denominator part. Here this is numerator, this is denominator. In 100 we have 20, so we'll put 2 digit after the decimal, and you can say that before 2 digit we'll put a decimal point. So here just count after the decimal 1, 2, because here we have only 1 digit, so we'll write here 0. If we have 15 paise, okay, if we convert 15 paise into rupees, so we'll write 15 out of 100 rupee. We know 1 paise is equal to 1 out of 100 rupee. So 15 paise is equal to 15 out of 100 rupee. So if we convert this into decimal part, so this is 20. After the decimal point, we need to write 2 digit. So the answer is 0.15. It means 0.15 rupee or ras 0.15. Let's take one more example. 125. Now convert this paise into rupees. So 125 paise out of 100, this is rupee. Now after the decimal point we need to write two digit. So first we'll write 25. This is decimal point, and before the decimal we have one digit, this is 1. So the answer is 1.25. It means res 1 and 25 paise. In the word form, we'll write it as rupees 1, and spelling form we'll write it as 1 rupee and 25 paise. 25 paise. Look at here carefully. This decimal part separates the rupees and paise. This decimal part is separate the rupees and paise. So look at here, conversion of rupees to paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Let's solve some examples here. Students, we have a rule to convert rupees into paise. We need to multiply the given amount by 100. Suppose we have example rupees 125 and number B is rupees 365 and 48 paise. So let's take this example first, rupees 125. As we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees में कितने पैसे होते हैं? 100. So rupees 125 is equal to 125 multiplied by 100 paise. Now 125 multiplied by 1, the number itself, and add 20 over there. Now it's become 112,500 paise. Another example is convert rupees 365 and 48 paise to paise. So we have here rupees and paise. So what we'll do? First we'll convert the rupees into paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 365 rupee is equal to 365 multiplied by 100 paise. Now we'll get the same amount here, 365, and add 20. Now paise. So this is converted into paise. Now we have 48 paise here. We'll add 48 into the obtained amount. Okay. So 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 here, 6 and 3. लास्ट की जो हमारे टू नंबर 20 होते हैं उसमें हमारा जो पैसे वाला अमाउंट होता है वो सेम उसके साथ ऐड कर देते हैं. फाइन. सो वी गेट हियर 36548 पैसे. Understood everyone? Now next one is conversion of paise to rupees. To convert paise to rupees or rupees and paise, we divide the amount by 100. It's just opposite to earlier one. To conversion of paise to rupees, we have to divide the given amount by 100. So let's take some example here. Like we have 4806 paise, and number B is 125 paise. So we have to convert these paise into rupees. Fine. So let's take first one, 4806 paise. As we know that 1 paise is equal to 1 out of 100 rupees. So 4806 paise is equal to 4806 out of 100. Children, we also know that there is 20 in the denominator part, so we'll put the decimal before 2 digit. Okay, just look at the numerator part. We have here 4 digit, so we'll put decimal point before 2 digit. So here just count 1 2, so we'll put the decimal after 48. So we'll get here 48.06. Why? In the denominator part we have 100. This is numerator and this is denominator, and this is fraction. In this fraction, in the denominator part we have 100, and in 100 we have 20. So we'll put the decimal point before 2 digit. Fine. If we have digits, so we'll put the decimal point before 2 digit. If we don't have the sufficient digit, so we'll put a 0, then write digit. Okay. Let's take another example, that is 125 paise. So we know that 1 paise is equal to 1 out of 100 rupee. Okay. So 125 paise is equal to 125 out of 100. So here also 20, so we'll put the decimal point before 2 digit. Just count the digit 1 2. So 1.25. The decimal part separate the rupees and paise. Here res 48 and 06, only 6 paise, and here res 1 and 25 paise. The decimal part separate the rupees and paise. Understood everyone? Students, our next topic is addition and subtraction of money. We all know that how to add the digits, how to add the numbers, how to subtract the numbers. Since chapter 1, 2, 3, we are doing the same thing, addition and subtraction. But in this exercise, money, how we add and how we subtract, how do we add and how do we subtract, let's me explain to you. Okay, while adding this and subtracting money, take care to place the decimal point exactly one below the other, and then add or subtract like you add or subtract any other numbers. Remember to put the decimal in the same place, 2 digits from the right in the answer. Okay, let's take some examples. So here we have some example of addition. Okay, so number A, we'll solve the addition stepwise. First arrange the amount in proper column. So here res 21.24 plus res 3. So here we have res and paise. In the res column we have here rupees column 21 and paise 24. And here in the res column we have 3. We'll not write here 3 because 3 in the ones column, and here in rupees 21 the 1 also in the ones column. Fine everyone, just look at carefully. This is 21 res 21 and this is res 3. Will not write 3 in below the 2. Why? Because 2 is in tens part. This is ones, this is tens. So in the ones column we have 1. That's why we have written here 3. And we have only 3 rupees. We don't have paise here. So we have 0 paise. 0. फाइन, हमारे पास यहाँ पर रुपीज़ है, रुपीज़ गिवन है बट पैसे नहीं है. पैसे कितने हैं हमारे पास? 0, कुछ भी नहीं. सो वी कैन राइट हियर 0 टू इक्वल द नंबर्स. रेस और पैसे और एडिशन को क्लियरली करने के लिए, हम इक्वल करने के लिए 0 पुट कर सकते हैं. फाइन, नाउ वी कैन ऐड इजीली. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. We have decimal point here. We'll put decimal point. 3 plus 1, 4. 2, 2. Now the answer is res 24.24. Fine. Now another example is res 16.98 plus rupees 426.29 paise. First we'll separate the rupees column and paise. Okay, now in the rupees column we have 16 rupees here and paise 98. Next, in the rupees column we have 426 rupees. We'll write 16 below 426, 26, 6 in the ones, 2 in the tens and 4 in the hundreds. Here we have no digit in the hundreds place, so we can write here 0 or nothing, no any digit. And in the place of paise we'll write here 29. Now we can add easily. Add both the numbers. 9 plus 8, 17. We'll write 1 carry over there. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we'll write only 2 here. 1 carry over there. Because 100 makes 1 rupee. 100 पैसे मेक्स 1 रुपी. तो हम यहाँ पर ये हमारा सेपरेट तो कर लेंगे डेसिमल पॉइंट, बट 127 नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि 100 पैसे मेक्स 1 रुपी. सो दिस वन विल गोज टू हियर. नाउ विल इरेज इट. ओके, इसे हम इरेज कर देंगे. उसके बाद ये यहाँ चला जाएगा. नाउ सेपरेट द डेसिमल पार्ट, रुपीज़ एंड पैसे पार्ट. रुपीज़ एंड पैसे के कॉलम को हम सेपरेट कर लेंगे. नाउ एट 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. We'll write here 3 only and 1 carry over there. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 and 4. Now we have rupees 443 and 27 paise. We can write the amount in words like 443 rupees, like 443 rupees 27 पैसे। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? समझ में आया सबको? Similarly, we'll solve the subtractions question. Here we have example of subtraction. So the first example is subtract rupees 58 minus rupees 26. So we'll separate the rupees column A here, rupees and paise. In the rupees we have 0.58 and 0.26. It's very easy. 8 subtract 6, we get 2. 5 minus 2, we get 3. So the decimal part here and 0. So rest 0 and 32 paise. The next example is 3.21. It means rupees 3 minus rupees 1.84. The decimal point separates the rupees and paise. Now this is rupees column and this is paise column. Here 3 and 21 paise, rest 1 and 84 paise. Now 1 is smaller than 4, so it will take 1 borrow from here. So it will become 11 and here we have only 1. Now 4 subtracted by 11 will get here 7. Now 1 is also smaller than 8. So it will also take 1 borrow from this side. Rupees से 1 borrow कर लेंगे. It will become 11. Now 11 minus 8 will get 3 and here 2. 2 minus 1 will get here 1. It means rupees 1 and 37 paise. Okay student? So we have done addition and subtraction also. Students, we have lots of syllabus. So let's solve some word problems here. In this exercise 8F, addition and subtraction. This I have given in your worksheet and already explained. So here we have some word problems, story based questions which we are using in our daily life. Fine. रुपीज़ मनी तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. हम लोग शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर मनी का बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है, बिकॉज़ हम शॉपकीपर को मनी देते हैं, वो हमें कितना वापस कर रहे हैं, कितने पैसे वापस कर रहे हैं, कितना रुपीज़ वापस कर रहे हैं, ये हमारी कैलकुलेशन को इम्प्रूव करता है. फाइन. तो जब आप वर्ड प्रॉब्लम के थ्रू सीखेंगे, आप अपने मदर फादर के साथ, पेरेंट्स के साथ मार्केट जाएंगे तो आप इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. ओके. So let's take our first problem, that is a man went to a fishing club. How much will it cost him to hire all the 3 items from the fishing club? The charges for the various items used are in the table given alongside. Here you can see fishing club, हायर चार्जेस. कभी कभी आप लोग भी जाते हैं फिशिंग क्लब में जाते हैं एंड जैसे जिम के लिए जाते हैं या आउटिंग पे आप जाते हो, किसी रिजॉर्ट पे रुकते हो, वहाँ से आप खाना ऑर्डर करते हो, तो हर किसी रिजॉर्ट में आपके रुकने के अलग चार्जेस होते हैं, आप जो खाना खाते हो उसके अलग चार्जेस होते हैं, अगर आप स्विमिंग पूल यूज़ कर रहे हो तो चार्जेस होते हैं, या आप किसी भी फेयर में गए हैं, जैसे सपोज टू बी जब आपके दिवाली आती है तो उस टाइम पे फेयर होता है, दशहरे के टाइम पे फेयर होता है, लाइक मेले में जाते हो ना, शिवरात्रि के टाइम पे आप जाते हो, तो देयर आर सो मैनी स्विंग स्लाइड्स एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स यू वांट टू राइड होते हैं जिस पे आप राइड करना चाहते हो. राइट स्टूडेंट? तो सबके अलग अलग चार्जेस होते हैं. आप झूले में बैठना चाहते हो, आप बोट वाली स्विंग होती है उसमें बैठना चाहते हो, आप स्लाइड करना चाहते हो, तो सबके चार्जेस अलग अलग होते हैं, तो उन सबको हमको कैलकुलेट करना होता है। फाइन। सो यहाँ पर भी एक मैन फिशिंग क्लब पे गया है, तो वहाँ पर उसने जो जो चीज़ें हायर की हैं उसके अलग अलग चार्जेस हैं। सो इन दिस बॉक्स द चार्जेस ऑफ बोट इज टू रेस्ट 250 and 75 पैसे, रॉड रेस्ट 125 and 55 पैसे, लाइफ जैकेट रेस्ट ₹37 and 30 पैसे. So what we have to find out? The charges for the various items used are in the table given alongside. We have to find out the total charges. Fine. How much will it cost him to hire all the 3 items? 3 items लिए उन्होंने, तो 3 items के ही उनको total charges बताने हैं. So what we'll do? As we know that in the word based problems, what we'll do, if we have words many, more, total, okay, so we need to add the numbers. फाइन. टोटल निकालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, जो हमारे पास दिए गए नंबर होते हैं उनको ऐड करते हैं. सो व्हाट विल डू इन आवर सॉल्यूशन? First of all, we'll write the heading word problems. Then we'll write solution. The solution here, charges of boat. We'll write charges of boat is equal to res 250.25. Charges of rod is equal to res 125.55 पैसे. Charges of life jacket is equal to res 37 rupees 30 paise. Now we have to find out the total amount. The total amount is, we add all the numbers. So 5 plus 5 will get here 10. 1 carry over there. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. We'll write only 1 here and 1 carry over there. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 1 carry over there. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry over there. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So we know that 1 rupee make 100 paise makes 1 rupee. It means 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So the decimal, after the decimal we need 2 digit. So we'll put decimal point here, because after the decimal we have 2 digits, so we'll put the decimal point here. So the total amount is, what we'll write in the next sentence, next statement, the total price is res, the last statement, res 413 rupees and 10 paise. So we can write here, thus the man hire all the items by rupees 413 and 10 paise. Okay? Students, let's take one more example. or one more problem, that is question number 6. In the month of March, Preeti saved rupees 980 and 75 paise. Rita saved rupees 1275 and 50 paise, and Rohit saved rupees 425 and 90 paise less than Rita. How much did they all save together? Okay, so you can say that there are three brothers and sisters and three friends. You can say anything. They have saved rupees in the month of March. So we'll solve it here in the solution. First statement we'll write the last one. Just look at the question carefully. In the month of March, Preeti saved 980 rupees and 75 paise. Fine, वेल अंडरस्टूड, ये तो समझ में आ रहा है प्रीति ने इतना सेव किया. रीता सेव्ड रुपीज़ 1275.50, इट मीन्स 50 पैसे. ओके, रीता ने कितना सेव किया ये भी समझ में आ रहा है. एंड रोहित सेव्ड रेस रुपीज़ 425.90 पैसे लेस देन रीता. दिस इज ओके, लेस देन. What is the meaning of less than? It means we have to subtract the smaller number with the greater number. So at first we'll find out the saved part of Rohit, because we don't know about the saved part of Rohit. Preeti's saving is given here, and Rita's saving is also given here, but Rohit's saving we have to find out first. So Rohit's saving is less than Rita. So we need to write first the first statement. Preeti saved. Preeti saved. Res. Preeti saved is equal to rupees 980 and 75 paise. Rita saved is equal to rupees 1275 and 50 paise. Rohit saved rupees 1275.50 paise minus 425.90, because Rohit saved less than Rita. Now we have to find out first Rohit saving. So we'll separate rupees and paise column. Now we'll subtract 1275.50 and 425.90. Now we'll subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 is smaller than 9. So it will take 1 borrow from here, become 15. 9 from 15 will get here 6. And the decimal point will write here. And here 5 will become 4. Now 4 is also smaller than 5. Now it will take 1 borrow from this side. It will become 14, and here 6. Now 5 from 14 will get here 9, and 2 from 6 will get here 4. Here 2 is also smaller than 4. So it will take 1 borrow from here, become 12. Here is 0. Now 4 from 12 will get here 8. So Rohit saved res 849 and 60 paise. Now we have all three savings here. So at last we have to find out the total saving together. So the last statement will write they saved Together we will add, because the word is together here, so we need to add. Okay, so we'll add all three monies here. We'll separate the rupees and paise column. Now the Preeti's saving is 980 and 75 paise. Rita's saving is 1275 and 50 paise, and Rohit's saving is 849 rupees and 60 paise. Okay, now we'll add here 5 9 6 plus 5 11, 11 and 6 11 and 7 18. So we'll write here 8. This is decimal point. We'll put here decimal point and 1 carry over there. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry over there. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 4 20. So we'll write 0 and 2 carry over there. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 8 21. So we'll write here 1 and 2 carry over there. 2 plus 1 3. So the total saving is rupees 3105 and 85 paise. Thus, at last we'll write, thus they saved rupees 3105 and 85 paise. Okay? Like this, you will solve your word problem sums. Okay? See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.